So, isa kayo sa couples na nabanggit?
Wala.
Wala pa naman.
Parang malapit na, parang gano'n. Napakasal.
Oh?
Tingnan natin. Wala.
Pero Mateo, susundin niyo ba yung auspicious date na yan?
Yung?
Auspicious date na yan, susundin niyo ba yan?
Yung date na yun?
Oo.
Hindi ko alam.
Kung kayong sisig.
Hindi ko alam, Mamen. Hindi ko talaga alam.
Pero alam mo yun, yung balita yun na April 28.
I heard, but I didn't know about the date. There's a date.
There's a date na yung...
Ako bagong pakasal. Mga nakikita mo.
Hindi ko talaga alam.
How many
Tingnan natin. Kung sasabihin ko, hindi na-surprise. Diba?
5 years from now.
Sometime.
So, not in the very near future.
We'll see.
Not next year.
At least you're not saying no.
Oh, we'll see.
You're not saying that it's not in the next few years.
In the middle of the night, in the silence, when there's no one by your side, but you call the name of love.